Pivot points are an extremely valuable tool that can be incorporated into almost any trading style or system. They allow traders to identify breakout conditions, set price targets, and remain aware of important support and resistance levels in the market. However, traders who utilize the weekly pivot points developed within TradeShark have the added benefit of predictive data, which is incorporated into the pivot point calculation. This offers traders a huge advantage over other pivot point implementations, and when combined with TradeShark's other predictive indicators, can allow traders to approach the markets with consistency and confidence. To demonstrate how TradeShark users can incorporate pivot points into their trading approach, I will utilize this chart for Apple stock. Like all other TradeShark indicators, pivot points can be added to any chart selection with a simple drag and drop. The pivot point will then be applied to the chart along with some extra space for easier viewing. As we can see in this example for Apple stock, the market had closed on a Friday above the next weekly pivot point. This suggests continued bullishness for the next trading week. So traders would be looking to enter long positions with the first and second resistance level set as expected profit targets. In this example, we can see the market immediately move to resistance level 1, with TradeShark's predicted range forecasting a predicted high above resistance level 2. TradeShark users will also have the ability to easily combine these pivot levels with the highly accurate neural index forecast. For example, when added to the chart, we can see that not only was the market above the next weekly pivot, but the neural index was forecasting average prices to move higher over the next 2 trading days. This combined approach allows traders to identify opportunities with a very high likelihood of performing to expectations. Day trading aside, swing and position traders will find pivot points to be quite valuable as well, since they so often highlight important support and resistance levels. In this example for gold, we can clearly see TradeShark's standard trend forecast had predicted a trend change almost 3 weeks ago. I will go ahead and change the template to a pre-made selection so we can view the weekly pivots along with the standard trend forecast from TradeShark. A swing trader using TradeShark's predicted weekly pivots would be keenly aware to take some profit at the first or second resistance level soon after entering the market. Additionally, as prices began to decline from that level, the trader would then look to buy back into the position at the nearest support level. Remember, TradeShark is still forecasting the market's trend higher, indicating that traders should look to take a long position on any pullbacks. By combining pivot points with the TradeShark forecast in this fashion, traders can manage their positions more effectively, often resulting in much greater trading profits. In addition to the weekly predicted pivots, longer-term traders may wish to make use of the monthly and quarterly pivot points within TradeShark. These higher time frame pivot points are located in the indicator tray and can be applied to the charts just like the weekly pivot points with a simple drag and drop. Notice these 2 chart examples for Apple showing the monthly and also quarterly pivot points. For more information on pivot points and TradeShark's proprietary trend forecasting technology, be sure to visit the TradeShark Learning Center from your software start page, or you can visit the website at www.tradeshark.com.